Hey guys, today we'll be showing you how to install your Thinkware Dash Cam. You'll need the following items to install your Thinkware Dash Cam. You'll need the Thinkware Dash Cam, the hardwiring kit or the cigarette lighter adapter that comes in the box, some glass cleaner, and a microfiber cloth. We'll start with cleaning the windshield with a microfiber cloth and some glass cleaner. You want to make sure that the windshield is clean so that the 3M adhesive mount can have a strong bond to the windshield. Now we're going to attach the 3M adhesive mount to the dash cam. Then we'll peel off the protective film on the 3M adhesive pad. Now we're going to mount the dash camera. Make sure when you're mounting the camera that the lens is centered and not the unit itself. So you want to line up the lens with the rear view mirror and not the camera itself. If your camera has Wi-Fi, you can also check the viewing angle using our smartphone app. Once you're happy with the position of the camera and once the lens is centered, press firmly against the windshield to mount the camera. Now that the dash cam is mounted, it's time to hide the wires. Make sure you start hiding the wires, starting from the dash cam and not the power source. This will ensure that you won't have any extra dangling wires near the windshield. Use the headliner and the weather strips to hide the wire back to the power source. Once you've hid the cables, your Thinkware Dash Cam is now installed. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe below for more Thinkware videos.